Has anyone wondering what is carbon compounds is? Carbon compounds. Carbon compounds are defined as chemical substance containing carbon. There are three classifications of carbon compounds. First, we have organic compounds. Second, we have organometallic compound. And the third one is inorganic compound. Organic compounds always contain carbon and hydrogen. Organometallic compound contain at least one carbon-metal bond. Inorganic compound contain carbon but not hydrogen. So now we know we have three classification of carbon compounds. So here are the 5 examples of carbon compounds that you can find in your house. So first off, we have isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is mixed with water for use as a rubbing alcohol antiseptics. It is also used in aftershave lotion, hand lotion, and other cosmetics. Second, we have acetone. Acetone is a liquid solvent that can break down and dissolve other substances. Third one, we got soap. Soap is a very important to modern life. Soaps allows us to keep clean and remove dirt from our hands and other parts of our body. Fourth one, we have perfume. Perfume is used to give a pleasant and desirable scent to a person's body, typically with the aim of increasing self-appeal and self-confidence. And lastly, bleach. Bleach can disinfect, which means it is effective at killing most bacteria, fungus, and viruses. Bleach can also brighten and whiten fabrics with help remove stubborn stains.